There is no question that China's electric vertical takeoff and landing sector has grown faster than that of any other country in recent years, fueled by strong government support, high urban demand, and an advanced manufacturing base. Companies are rapidly transitioning from conceptual designs to certified prototypes, with several already progressing through flight testing and developing autonomous systems. With that momentum in mind, here are some of the most exciting EVTOL aircraft emerging from China. EHang VT-35. The EHang VT-35 is one of China's newest long-range autonomous flying taxi aircraft, representing a major step forward in intercity electric air mobility. Developed and manufactured in China, the VT-35 was officially unveiled on October 13, 2025, in Hefei, Anhui Province, as the next-generation upgrade to the earlier VT-30 concept. The aircraft is designed as a pilotless lift-and-cruise EVTOL, combining vertical takeoff capability with fixed-wing efficiency for longer distances. It is a two-passenger autonomous aircraft capable of flying approximately 200 kilometers on a single charge. It cruises at around 215 kilometers per hour, using 8 vertical lift propellers for takeoff and landing and a rear pusher propeller for forward flight. The aircraft has a maximum takeoff weight of about 950 kilograms, placing it in the light urban air mobility category while still offering intercity capability. Pricing for the VT-35 standard version was announced at 6.5 million RMB, approximately $900,000 to $915,000, positioning it as a commercial air taxi rather than a private flying car. The aircraft is currently undergoing airworthiness certification with the Civil Aviation Administration of China, with testing flights already underway following its first public flight in December 2025. Designed for intercity travel, cross-sea routes, and mountainous regions, it aims to create one-hour regional air mobility networks across major Chinese metropolitan clusters. With fully autonomous flight systems, electric propulsion, and point-to-point navigation, the EHang VT-35 is China's push towards scalable, pilotless aerial transportation for the near future. Govi AirCab. The Govi AirCab is a next-generation electric flying taxi developed in China by GAC Group, one of the country's largest automotive manufacturers, under its dedicated Govi low-altitude mobility brand. The aircraft was officially unveiled at the 2025 International Automotive and Supply Chain Expo in Hong Kong, marking GAC's entry into the rapidly growing flying car market. It is a two-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing EVTOL aircraft designed primarily for short-range urban transport, tourism flights, and point-to-point mobility. The aircraft features a multi-rotor configuration, autonomous flight capability, and a lightweight structure made from over 90% carbon fiber composite materials, improving efficiency and safety. 5G connectivity, and intelligent onboard systems such as climate control, digital assistance, and smart cabin features. It is powered by high-density cylindrical batteries capable of fast charging in approximately 25 minutes, making it suitable for frequent short-distance operations. Early prototypes suggest a range of around 20 to 30 kilometers. Pricing for the Govi AirCab has been announced at up to 1.68 million yuan, approximately $230,000 to $235,000, positioning it competitively among personal and commercial EVTOL aircraft. Pre-orders began in June 2025, with airworthiness certification underway and mass production expected by 2026, followed by pilot operations in major Chinese cities. Designed as part of GAC's broader low-altitude mobility ecosystem, it represents a practical step toward routine urban air transportation and future flying taxi networks. XPeng X2. The XPeng X2 is a two-seat electric flying car developed in China by XPeng Aero HT, a subsidiary of XPeng Motors headquartered in Guangzhou. The aircraft represents the company's fifth-generation autonomous electric vertical takeoff and landing platform designed for short-range urban air mobility. The Xpeng X2 first gained global attention during its public demonstration flight in Dubai in October 2022, marking one of the first fully autonomous passenger flying car demonstrations in a major city. Development began around 2020, with continued testing through 2023 to 2025, and the aircraft is expected to move toward limited production around 2025 to 2026, depending on certification progress. Technically, the Xpeng X2 features 8 propellers powered by 8 electric motors and a carbon fiber composite airframe for lightweight performance. It carries 2 passengers, reaches a maximum speed of about 130 km per hour, and offers approximately 35 minutes of flight time with a range of around 75 kilometers. The aircraft weighs roughly 760 kilograms, includes 200 kilograms payload capacity, and uses advanced autonomous navigation with 4G and 5G communication systems. Pricing is estimated at around $200,000, positioning it as a premium personal air mobility aircraft rather than a mass-market vehicle. Designed primarily for short urban flights, tourism, and emergency mobility, the Xpeng X2 highlights China's rapid progress toward practical electric flying cars and autonomous aerial transportation. With its enclosed cockpit, sleek drone-like layout, and fully electric propulsion, the Xpeng X2 represents one of the most advanced personal EVTOL aircraft currently under development. Xpeng Aero HT. The Xpeng Aero HT flying car, also known as the Land Aircraft Carrier, is a next-generation modular flying vehicle developed in China by Xpeng Aero HT, a subsidiary of Xpeng Motors. Unveiled internationally at the Consumer Electronics Show 2024, the aircraft represents one of the most ambitious personal flying car projects currently moving toward mass production. The Xpeng Aero HT flying car features a 2-part modular design consisting of a 6-wheel ground vehicle and a detachable 2-seat EVTOL aircraft stored in the rear compartment. The ground module accommodates 4 to 5 passengers, uses an extended-range electric powertrain, and features 6x6 all-wheel drive for rugged terrain. The air module is a fully electric multi-copter with 8 electric motors and 8 propellers, capable of vertical takeoff and landing, with manual and autonomous flight modes, and a 270-degree panoramic cockpit. The aircraft weighs roughly 1,000 kilograms, uses carbon fiber construction, and is designed for short-range urban and regional flights after driving to a suitable takeoff location. Xpeng announced pre-orders beginning in late 2024, with deliveries expected between late 2025 and 2026. Pricing is projected at under 2 million yuan, approximately $270,000 to $280,000, making it one of the first commercially targeted personal flying cars. Designed for road-to-air mobility, the Xpeng Aero HT flying car aims to allow users to drive out of cities, deploy the aircraft, and fly over traffic or terrain, marking a major step toward practical personal aviation. EH216-S. The EHang Holdings Limited EH216-S is a fully autonomous electric air taxi developed in China by EHang Holdings Limited, headquartered in Guangzhou. The aircraft represents one of the world's first certified pilotless passenger eVTOL aircraft, designed for urban air mobility, tourism, and short-distance aerial transport. The EH216-S is a 2-passenger electric multicopter featuring 16 electric motors and 16 propellers mounted on 8 arms, providing redundancy and safety during flight. It has a maximum speed of about 130 km per hour, cruise speed around 100 km per hour, and flight range of 30 to 35 km with an endurance of roughly 21 minutes. The aircraft supports a maximum payload of about 220 kilograms and operates fully autonomously using AI navigation, GNSS positioning, and ground-based command systems, requiring no onboard pilot. Development of the EH216 platform began in the late 2000s, with the improved variant certified in October 2023 by the Civil Aviation Administration of China, becoming the world's first certified pilotless passenger EVTOL. In December 2023, the aircraft received a standard airworthiness certificate, followed by a production certificate in April 2024, clearing the way for mass production and commercial deployment. It is priced at approximately 2.39 million yuan, about $330,000, and is intended for air taxi services, tourism flights, emergency response, and smart city mobility networks. With its compact footprint, fully autonomous operation, and electric propulsion, it is among the most advanced commercial flying taxi aircraft currently entering real-world service. Geely Aerofugia AE200. The Geely Aerofugia AE200 is a next-generation electric air taxi developed in China by Aerofugia, an advanced aviation company backed by Zhejiang Geely Holding Group. Based in Chengdu, Sichuan Province, Aerofugia was founded in 2020 to develop large passenger eVTOL aircraft for urban and regional air mobility. It represents the company's first full-scale passenger aircraft designed for commercial operations. It is a 5 to 6-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, typically configured for 1 pilot and 4 or 5 passengers. It features a tilt rotor design with 8 propellers mounted on 4 propulsion pods, allowing vertical takeoff and efficient forward flight like a conventional aircraft. The aircraft offers an estimated range of about 200 kilometers and a cruise speed around 200 kilometers per hour, making it suitable for regional air taxi routes and short intercity travel. It was first unveiled publicly in May 2023 at the Beyond International Science and Innovation Expo in Macau, with early technology demonstrators flying shortly afterward. Initial test flights began in 2023, and the AE200-100 prototype entered production in September 2025, marking the final phase before certification and mass production. Commercial production is currently targeted for 2026. Although official pricing has not been publicly confirmed, industry estimates suggest a price range between $1 million and $2 million USD, depending on configuration and operational equipment. Designed for urban transport, tourism, emergency response, and regional mobility, the Geely Aerofugia AE200 represents China's push toward large passenger electric flying taxis and scalable aerial transportation networks. Tech E20. The TSAB Tech E20 is a next-generation electric air taxi developed in China by Shanghai TSAB Technology Company Limited, an advanced air mobility company founded in May 2021. Designed for urban and regional air transportation, the E20 is a tilt-rotor electric vertical takeoff and landing (EVTOL) aircraft built to combine helicopter-like flexibility with airplane-style cruise efficiency. It is configured to carry 1 pilot and 4 passengers, making it a 5-seat air taxi aimed at short intercity travel, tourism, and urban mobility networks. The aircraft features 6 electric propulsion units, including 4 tilt rotors for forward flight and 2 additional lift propellers for vertical takeoff and landing. It offers a cruise speed of approximately 260 km per hour and an estimated range of up to 200 km, with a maximum payload of about 450 kilograms. Development of the TCAB Tech E20 began shortly after the company's founding in 2021, with first flight testing completed in 2023 and ongoing structural and transition flight tests continuing through 2024 and 2025. In August 2025, TSAB Tech broke ground on its first production facility in Wuhu, Anhui Province, marking the shift toward industrial production and global deliveries. Although official pricing has not been publicly confirmed, industry estimates place the E20 in the $1 million to $2 million range, similar to other 5-seat EVTOL aircraft. Commercial deployment is expected around 2026 to 2027, with early orders already announced for 350 aircraft in international markets. With its tilt-rotor configuration, high cruise speed, and regional range, it is designed to become a practical electric air taxi for future low-altitude transportation networks. The Fengfei Phi 2000 CG, also known internationally as the Auto Flight Phi 2000 CG carryall, is a large autonomous cargo EVTOL developed in China by Fengfei Aviation Technology, branded globally as Autoflight. Designed for logistics, emergency transport, and regional cargo operations, the aircraft represents one of the world's first ton-class electric vertical takeoff and landing cargo aircraft. It features a lift-plus-cruise configuration with 8 vertical lift rotors and 2 forward-facing propellers for efficient horizontal flight. It has a maximum takeoff weight of approximately 2,000 kilograms, a payload capacity of around 400 to 500 kilograms, and a wingspan of about 15 meters. The aircraft is fully electric and autonomous, offering a range of approximately 200 kilometers and a maximum cruise speed near 200 kilometers per hour, making it suitable for regional cargo delivery and emergency missions. Development of the V2000CG began in the early 2020s, with testing conducted across various regions including mountainous, coastal, and urban environments. In March 2024, the aircraft received its type certificate from the Civil Aviation Administration of China, becoming the world's first certified ton-class cargo EVTL. A production certificate followed in December 2024, enabling mass production and commercial deployment. By 2025 to 2026, it achieved full airworthiness certification, marking a major milestone toward operational service. Pricing has not been officially disclosed, but industry estimates suggest $1.5 million to $3 million, depending on configuration. Designed for logistics, disaster relief, and low-altitude cargo networks, it represents a major step toward large-scale autonomous cargo aviation. Volant Aerotech VE25. The Volant Aerotech VE25, also known as the VE25-100 Skylar, is a next-generation electric air taxi developed in China by Volant Aerotech, a Shanghai-based EVTOL manufacturer founded in June 2021 by aerospace engineers from companies including Comac, Airbus, GE, and Honeywell. The aircraft is designed for urban air mobility, regional transport, cargo missions, and emergency medical services. The VE25 is a lift-plus-cruise EVTOL aircraft featuring 8 vertical lift propellers and 2 rear pusher propellers for forward flight, offering both vertical takeoff capability and efficient airplane-style cruising. It is configured for 1 pilot and 4 to 5 passengers, with a maximum payload of about 500 kilograms and a maximum takeoff weight of approximately 2,500 kilograms. The aircraft delivers a cruise speed of around 200 kilometers per hour, a maximum speed of 235 kilometers per hour, and an estimated range of 200 to 400 kilometers, making it suitable for short regional routes and intercity travel. Assembly of the first VE25 technology demonstrator began in June 2022, followed by its first tethered flight on January 18, 2023. By May 2025, the VE25-100 prototype rollout marked the transition toward commercial production, with planned annual output of up to 300 aircraft at its Zhejiang manufacturing facility. While official pricing has not been publicly confirmed, industry estimates place the VE25 in the $1 million to $2 million range. Commercial test operations are expected around 2026, supported by over 700 preliminary aircraft orders from aviation operators and leasing companies. Designed for quiet, electric, and efficient regional mobility, it represents China's growing push towards scalable electric air taxi networks.